Some good news now for jobs in our area and for the state docks. A major railroad has hopped on board as Mobile takes the next big step in containerized shipping. Here's News 5's Peter Albrecht.
The APM Container Terminal is doing twice the business now as it did when it opened 7 years ago, and has hopes of tripling or quadrupling that in the near future. But all those containers coming in have to have a way to go out, and quickly. Right now, all the containers leave on trucks.
That's the magic of the intermodal facility, is it gives us another outlet to get the containers out of here.
That outlet is rail. Mobile's new intermodal facility will basically be a big rail transfer yard near the APM Container Terminal, where the containers will be put on trains.
Oh, it absolutely opens up the opportunities. It takes some of the pressure off some of the trucking power.
The hope eventually is that about a quarter of all containers that come into Mobile will leave on rail. Workers have been filling in and leveling off this 80-acre site for the better part of the last 2 years, but they hope to have the intermodal rail yard up and running in just 6 months' time. Canadian National today became the first railway to sign a deal to use the Intermodal Container Transfer Facility. CN has tracks from Mobile through 17 different states into Canada and now moves about a quarter of its freight in containers. CN employs about 200 locally, but that number should jump with the new container business.
So we'll need more locomotive engineers, conductors, people to maintain the track, people to maintain the locomotives. So as volumes come and we absorb it, we take on more and more opportunities to hire people.
The new $50 million facility may also bring more jobs by attracting distribution and warehouse businesses.
That's where the real job impact will come, will be the companies that we're able to attract in here because we have made these investments in the transportation infrastructure.
Canadian National is one of 5 major railways servicing Mobiles, the other being Norfolk Southern, Kansas City Southern, CSX, and the Burlington Northern Santa Fe. And Mel Lyons hopes to sign deals with some of those railroads in the near future.
Pete, is this all tied into the widening of the Panama Canal?
Well, it really is, because you got a bigger canal, you got bigger ships going through there, bringing more containers, hopefully here to Mobile. That's great to have those containers coming in, but you got to have better ways and more ways to move them out.
Okay, and we thank you very much, Pete.